friends, it is Running Kimono, and we're going to talk about the best gain deals this week over at the Dollar General. Now, if you look at this coupon, it's been active for the last 2 weeks, and as you can see, the expiry date is on Saturday the 11th. Now, on the 12th, my prediction is maybe, possibly, fingers and toes crossed, we'll get spend 20, get 5 off with gain. Wouldn't that be a nice Christmas gift for all of us, as opposed to this 5 off of 30? But we'll have to wait and see. And if you used this coupon last week, it is of a one-time use, so you're going to have to wait till the 12th and see what we get. Now, just a couple rules to jog through before we talk about the dealios. On Saturday the 11th, these two stack, so you get $10 of savings off of a $30 basket of gain merchandise. So that is the beauty of this. More rules for you. Obviously, Saturday the 11th, you have the biggest savings of a 10 off of 30. If you go before that, you'll only get $5 of savings. Not all markets, the two boosters stack, so I encourage you to use one paper and one digital, and I'll show you that in the next slide, or you could just pass on all of this, which is also okay. Use the Dollar General app to scan. You have to make sure that the 5 off of 30 is in fact attaching. Any issues you have at checkout, don't be shy to just void your transaction. After the cashier presses the final pay button and she's like, that'll be blah, 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 that's when you know if it's been a hit or a miss. And I'm up here in Michigan, so if some of these prices are a little bit more or a little bit less, perhaps that is a regional thing. Now, if you cannot get the two boosters to stack on Saturday, you have the option to use one of these paper ones that print out at the bottom of your receipt. Obviously, this is the one from a couple weeks back, so you'd need one for the week of December the 11th. But the 5 off of 30 and this one do stack if you do it properly at checkout. So make sure that you have one of these if you have issues at your store, and perhaps give that a shot, and you might be surprised what the outcome is. Okay, so the first little dealio that we have is 100% digital. How nice is that? We're going to load our two boosters that are the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30. Off of this little bingo chart, we're going to grab one of these items, the fling, the fabric, or just a regular detergent. It is your choice. I'm going to go kind of boring today and say that for my little basket, I'm going to grab a bag of the flings for $6.95. Spring Daydream, it's just that kind of a day. And this is the digital coupon that we need loaded to our store card. Okay, now we're going to grab 3 of the Febreze Air Effects with the gain scent. Look at the bottom how it says gain. That's the one we want to grab. So 3 of them, that is $9 on the nose. Now we have some digital coupons that you absolutely need loaded that include the 3 off of 2 and the $1 off. So those, you need them loaded to your store card. Okay, and the next item that we're grabbing in another set of 3 is 3 of these Swiffer with the gain scent. It's like a wet pack, so it's like a mopping cloth. You can use this for everything, your floors, your walls, whatever. It's a really great product for $5 each. And then we have a 2 off of 2 and a $1 off. Please make sure you have these 2 coupons also loaded. Okay, so looking at the mathematics for this one of the gain flings for $6.95. 3 of the Febreze Air Effects with the gain scent for $9. 3 times 3, 9. 3 of the Swiffer with the gain scent, they're the wet packs at $5 each. That's $15. So the total for all of this magic is $30.95. As the cashier is scanning all of your goods, that's when you punch in your phone number. Now, if you're utilizing one of those 5 off of 25 paper Dollar General cash register receipt coupons, you would present it before the cashier presses the final pay button, just to note that. So the cashier presses the final pay button, 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with the $9 of digitals that I showed you in the slides previous. You're paying $11.95 for the 7 items, shaking it out to $1.70 each. That's a little something called Merry Christmas right there. Okay, the last deal that we're doing is with insert coupons. Okay, so we need our 2 friends, which is the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30. We need both of these friends loaded for this little deal. So we're going to be grabbing 6 of these double packs. It's called a value pack of the Febreze Air Effect with the gain scent. So you might have to look for these on an end cap, side cap, or in the air section, but they are throughout the store. Now, when the cashier is scanning your stuff, this is what you do. You present 2 of those cans, scan a coupon, 2 cans, scan a coupon. It's just a weird jog that you have to do. If you present 2 BOGOs at the very end, one will scan, one will not. It's just because their cash registers are really old. So that's the weird jog you have to do. Along with, you need this digital coupon. And with those 3 coupons, the 1 digital and 2 papers, that's $9 off. Looking at the math, 6 of the Febreze Air Effects gained the double packs at $5 a pop is $30 on the nose. Remember, you have to do that weird jog of scan 2, present a coupon, scan 2, present a coupon. As the cashier is scanning all of your stuff, that's when you punch in your phone number. So the 5 off of $25 and 5 off of $30 General coupons will come off, along with the one $3 digital manufacturer. You're left with paying $11 out of pocket plus your tax. But before the tax, the $11 for the 6 products shakes it out to $1.83 each. And Saturday the 11th is the last day for that BOGO free coupon from the December P&G. I think it's expiring on the 11th. So use it or lose it, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.